Latest social media updates. WhatsApp working on new auto-remove media ability for channels. X has ditched a political misinformation reporting feature, researchers say. Google launches earthquake alerts on Android in India. Threads adds easy profile switching to its mobile apps. Apple Podcasts adds original programming from Apple Music, Apple News Plus and other apps. Meta announces Universe of AI for Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp. Microsoft planner to add support for new personal plans next month. Spotify launches Jam, a real-time collaborative playlist controlled by up to 32 people. ChatGPT can now search the web in real time. Google Photos gets updated upload UI on the web. Snapchat to shutter business-focused AR unit. Microsoft Mesh public preview for Teams arriving next month. Meta announces a range of new AI and VR tools, including celebrity chatbots and new smart glasses. Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses live stream to Instagram and Facebook. Microsoft Teams rooms on Windows to get an all-in-one experience. For more digital trends, visit karanvalidi.com.